I have an hour and 14-minute video that I never posted. It was the Rocket League thing. Oh shit, we're live. Hello everyone, my name is Bill, and today we're playing Fireworks Mania. Because I want to take out my frustration. Fuck! And we're back. The frustration that I have just taken out of Fortnite is now going into this game. Developer, if you ever watch this, I love your game, it's so much fun. So first we're gonna go to the town and we're gonna go and blow up a house. Yes, I said blow up a house, everyone. Yeah, I don't think that's a surprise anymore, but we're gonna go and blow up a house. Wait, you ready? I'm gonna go and blow up a house. Oh. There we go. Oh. So everyone, this is how luxurious my computer handles. It doesn't handle this good. Alright. Where's Tom? Well, that never happens. Anyway. Get out of here. Not gonna need that. Come with me, and you'll be in a world of free imagination. You will be swept off your feet in a world of fireworks nation. Alright, Tommy boy. Oh shit. Go back, go back, go back. That was worth it. Alright. Can we not light this? Alright, let's blow up a gas station because I said I was going to do that, so I'm going to do it. Alright, everyone. I'm going to show you what one fear of the dark is. And then I'm going to show you what a gas station full of them is. That's one fear of the dark. We're going to cut to when this place is entirely full. Alright, everyone. We're back. Yeah, so fear of the dark is way too small, so I just filled up this entire place. Run! Guys? Ah! Whoa! No, 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 no. Oh my god. Sorry, Tim. Fuck off, you big bitch. No! Huh. Yeah, I'm hoping they got insurance for this. You saw nothing. Run, 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 run. In. Where's the toilet? I want to make a funny joke. Where's the bathroom? Is it in this kid? Oh my god. Hey guys, I'm gonna light a toilet on fire. Okay, firecrackers, novelties, cakes! I'm sorry guys, but I'm just gonna put a bunch of American flags in here. Because I'm American, yes indeed, I know you guys didn't know I'm American at this point. There we go. Place some there where the child would be, some of this desk. You guys are seeing this entire bit, I'm not cutting this part. More. I swear, if someone threw the wall... Okay, good. Check the footage. Alright, no more fireworks in this house. We should close this door. Alright, we're gonna leave some all the way down the stairs. Hey guys, I'm American, so normally we put things completely out of proportion. There we go, I have 8 American flags. Hello? Yo, can I crouch? There we go. Is there a back door? Good, alright. Alright, we're gonna fill... I'm the Mr. Beast of this right now, if you guys didn't notice. I'm the Mr. Beast. We saw this boat in half. That's not who Mr. Beast is, but hey. Alright. Spread some joy. You know how it is. Spread the joy, spread the joy. Oh, the garage! Completely forgot about this. Alright. I think we're done. Never mind, we're not. There we go. Alright. I'm immediately regretting this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Okay. This is bad. Very bad. Super bad. By the way, like, don't speak, but, right now, that's what's going on. There's too many fireworks. That's why it's running this slow, but... stuff's on fire and whatnot. For reference, if we looked away, we get slightly better FPS. If we look back now, though, oh no. There's 100+ things of American flags in there. I don't know why it's reacting like this. No, I'm just kidding. I know exactly why it's doing this. Oh, this is hilarious. You guys enjoy this. I'm not enjoying it, but I'm not really paying attention too much at what's going on. There's too much going on around us. Oh shit! Guys, I gotta go in. I have to light the truck. I forgot to light the truck. My bad. Never mind. I just realized why I didn't light the truck yet. It's starting. I think it's starting to slow down. Yep, nope. Yep, it's starting to slow down now. I'm very satisfied, but just to make sure. Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for the video, because 1, it's getting too long, and 2, it takes a long time to upload this video. So if you liked it, maybe subscribe if you want to see more Fireworks Mania. Like and subscribe. I'll put my sister's channel down in the description. She does a great job of doing almost nothing, but people like her for it, and I won't judge. She's going to post another video most likely in the next couple of hours, maybe more, but she said she's doing it later on today. But as always, if you liked it, like, subscribe, maybe dislike. If you don't like my videos, dislike. I won't be mad, I'll be pissed. And yeah, I'll just see you guys later. Bye.